Hello everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate, um, how to use dilution formula in calculation of preparation of solution. So we know that the dilution formula is what look like this. We have V C1 over V1 equal to C2 over V2. Now, we all know that concentration is amount over volume. That means amount is what? Concentration over concentration in mole per dm cube over what? Multiplied by volume will give us amount. That is to say, the amount in the initial uh, solution is the same thing as the amount in the final solution, because we know that when water or distilled water is added to a solution, the amount contained in it does not change. Rather, the volume of the water changes, but the amount remains the same. This is very important in volumetric analysis when we're analyzing for maybe concentration or gram per dm cube in volumetric analysis. Now, knowing that this is so, it means that we, we, we are going to use the relationship in calculating that, meaning that this concentration, which is 4 mole, C1 is what? 4 mole, and then V1 is what we are looking for, the volume of this in solution that can give us this other one, 0.05 moles per dm cube. Now, concentration 2, we have is what? 0.05 mole. Then the volume V2 is what? 1000 cm cube, which is the same thing as 1 dm cube or 1 liter. So in that case, what we're doing now, we substitute. By substitution, we have 4 multiply V1 equal to 0.05 times 1000. Then V1 will then be multiplying, we have 50 over 4. Then cancelling out, we have 12.5 cm cube. That means the volume that we require for this is 12.5 cm cube by making it up to 1000 dm cube, 1000 cm cube, or 1 dm cube or 1 liter. We have 0.05 mole per dm cube. Thank you so much for being part of the class, and remember to leave your comments. Remember to visit the comment section and leave your question there. If you have any comments, subscribe and then like. Thank you so much.